What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Forex Scott shooting this video to basically walk some of you guys through on how to install the PETS indicator or the PETS system inside of your mt4. So if you are an active member, you'll get this tool for free. I sent you the email. You will simply download it from right here. You will click on download, and once it's downloaded, you will open it up. Right now, mine is in the downloads folder. So this is what it looks like. It says Forex Super FX Agamat Strategy. You will click on that. And then here you have your experts folder, your indicators, and your template. You also have an installation document that's going to walk you through the process. If you don't have a extractor key to extract the document, you can simply go here, download the free WinRAR to extract the files, and follow the video here. I guess that's on the mt4. Of course, you will see it says file, data folder, install your indicators, paste all the indicators, and then you'll do the same with the template. You go to file, open data folders, and template. So I'm gonna show you how to do that as of right now. So right now, you go to indicators. These are all of the indicators that are in here. So to select all of them, I would just click on the first one, scroll all the way down, press and hold down the shift key, click on the last one, and it will select all of the indicators. And I will press copy, right click, press copy. And the next step is you want to paste those into your MetaTrader 4. So you're going to pull up your MetaTrader 4. All right, now once you have all of your files copied, you will go to your broker, your mt4, go to a file, open data folder. That should pull up your data folder. Inside of the data folder, you will go to MQL4, then you will go to the indicators folder, and you will paste all of the indicators that you just copied out of the folder in here. And I will press paste. I already have them in here, so I'm not going to paste them again. Once you paste it, you will go back to your mt4. Here in your navigator window where the indicators are, you will right click, you will press refresh, and then all of the indicators should be in the indicators box. Now the next thing you have to do is go to file, open data folder. Here you will go to templates, and then I'm sorry, I'm going backwards. I should have went to the first one first. Let's see, where am I at? Not it. It's not it. That is not it. You will go back to the file that you downloaded. You will go into the templates folder. You're going to copy both templates that are in the templates folder. You will then go back to your mt4, of course. You'll go to file, open data folder, MQL4. You'll go to MQL4. I'm sorry, not MQL4. You will go to your templates folder, and you will paste the templates in there. And once you have done so, you will go back to your mt4. Again, you will refresh. You will right click in the navigator's window. You will select refresh. Once you refresh, you can right click, go to templates, and you will select your Super FX Scout Algomat. This is the PET system, and it should load up shortly. I guess, I think, or maybe not. Let's see. Oh, there it is. There you go. Now, this is the full version of it. Me myself, I customized it a little bit. I removed, like, say for instance, this right here, these candles. It can confuse someone who is unfamiliar. These aren't actual candles. This green here is more so a strength meter. So what you want to do is, it says profitable strategy 7. You will click and you will select delete indicator. That is if you want to delete that indicator. It also shows you support and resistance zones, just like these gray area box here, 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 here. This is basically this blue and yellow tells you what is a buy and what is a sell. The candles is all one color, so if you want to change the colors of the candles, and of course you will go to and right click, go to properties, and then you will change all of your colors all in this section. And once you have everything saved, if I wanted to change my bar up to, I usually do my bar up blue, bull candle, blue, bar down, it's usually red for me, bear candle, red, and then I will take off, make sure everything is here. I will show my period separators, show volume, press OK, and that is about it. Right now, this is Apple, so um, that's why it probably looks weird. But that's about it. Once you have everything that you want looking on your chart, and once you got all your colors and everything aligned, you will go to template, you will go to save template, and then you save it as a name. I call mine the pet system, of course. Press save, and there you have it. So if you opened up another chart, or if you had another chart, let's open up Bitcoin, press chart windows, and then right click, templates, go to pets, and it should load up. I don't know why it's not loading up right now. Maybe if I go to the 5, there we go. There we go. Now everything's lined up. You got your support and resistance line. You got your connect corrections. You got your breakout right here. If you get a breakout on this area, we got an arrow for the breakout. Here's your take profit zone 1, and it reached your take profit zone. So we're going to be testing it out. I recommend everyone utilize their demo first. Utilize your demo. That way you can get used to how the pet system works. We're going to be doing some trainings throughout the week. We're also going to be doing some live trainings, some live trading sessions utilizing the system on a 1-minute to 5-minute chart, because as you can see, it moves on a 1-minute chart, and we can be taking trades off of the 1-minute chart as well. So just like I said, trial and error, go through it, utilize it with your trading plan, utilize it for confirmations on trends, utilize it on your demo, practice, practice, practice. Let's get this money. I'll see you guys in the next video.